Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to tell you the key to healthy and happy life. Today, even after crossing 50 years of my age, I'm enjoying my life to the fullest. Actually, as we approach 50 years, we are nagged by several health problems like diabetes, heart problem, osteoporosis, arthritis, etc. But among these diseases, the one that will collapse us secretly is osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a silent disease and remains asymptomatic for years. Osteoporosis is a disease in which the bones become weak and are more likely to break. It is characterized by porous bone, low bone mass, bone fragility, and increased susceptibility of fractures. Osteoporosis impacts health, quality of life, and can be an economical burden too. Some of the serious consequences of osteoporosis are fracture risk. Due to osteoporosis, fracture risk increases 3 to 6-fold among 50 to 80 years of age. Economic burden due to expenses of hospitalization and work absenteeism. Increased dependency, pain, anxiety and depression, reduced self-image, social isolation, and all these can lead to poor quality of life. I have osteoporosis, but I use Terifort, and this is key to my fitness. Terifort is teriparatide injection and contains recombinant human parathyroid hormone. Terifort pen device is a world-class Becton Dickinson self-injection system manufactured by BD, world leader in pen devices. It is easy to use and comes with the world's thinnest and shortest 31-gauge needle. Terifort injection should be administered as a subcutaneous injection into the thigh or abdominal wall. Each cartridge of Terifort is filled with 3.3 milliliter of teriparatide to deliver 750 micrograms in 3.0 milliliter. Each milliliter of teriparatide injection contains 250 micrograms teriparatide rDNA origin as active ingredient. The recommended dose of Terifort is 20 micrograms subcutaneously once daily. Before I demonstrate injection technique, let's point out different parts of Terifort pen device. This is the Terifort pen device. This is the cap, cartridge holder, cartridge, and pen body. This is Terifort cartridge that contains Terifort medicine, and it has to be placed in cartridge holder. These are the BD pen needles. The needle required for this device is 31-gauge needle. Let's see the different parts of the needle. Outer pen needle shield, inner pen needle shield, threaded pen needle hub, and paper tab. For more detailed explanation of individual parts of Terifort pen, cartridge or needle, refer to the user manual provided in the Terifort pen device. Please remember that this video is for demonstration purpose and not intended to replace Terifort user manual. Rather, it is intended to help illustrate the information found in user manual. Let's take you through step-by-step guide on how to use Terifort pen device with Terifort cartridge. Terifort pen has been designed keeping in mind all kind of potential users and is extremely simple and easy to use. Before you begin, wash your hands. Wipe the intended area of injection with antiseptic solution. Here is the Terifort pen injector. Step 1. Step 1 is to load the Terifort pen injector. So, I will demonstrate how to load the cartridge into the Terifort pen injector. To do this, first, hold the Terifort pen injector with one hand. Then, remove the cap by pulling with the other hand. Now, Rotate the cartridge holder from the pen body until it stops. Then, pull apart to separate. Now, insert the cartridge into the cartridge holder with metal cap first. If you use two types of medication cartridges, you should use two BD pen injectors. You should not switch semi-used cartridges in and out of the Terryford pen injector. Now, lower the pen body onto the cartridge holder. Then, push and screw them together so one of the blue arrow is aligned with the blue alignment mark on the pen body. Use only a new cartridge when loading the Terryford pen injector. Never load a partially filled cartridge. Step 2. The next step is to attach the pen needle. Now take the needle and remove the paper tab from the back of the new pen needle. Holding the cartridge holder, push the pen needle unit onto the Terryford pen injector. Then, screw the threaded hub of the pen needle onto the cartridge holder. Now, with a gentle pull, remove the outer pen needle shield. Save the outer pen needle shield and keep it aside for later use. You will use it to remove the pen needle from the Terryford pen injector after your injection is done. Step 3. Before moving ahead, check the medication flow. To do so, first, carefully remove the inner pen needle shield. Then hold the Terryford pen injector with the needle pointing up. Tap the cartridge holder gently with your finger to help air bubbles rise to the top of the cartridge. Small bubbles may remain and will not affect the dose. Now you need to prime the device to check the medication flow. To do so, set the dosage dialer to 2. Then press in the thumb button fully with the needle pointing upward. Notice if there are drops of medication coming out of the tip of the needle. Caution: for safety reasons, you must always check for medication flow before each dose. If you do not do this, you may receive less medication than the dose you have dialed. Step 4. Now we will explain how to set the dose to the appropriate unit on the dose scale. To set your dose, turn the dose dialer until you see the number 8 in the middle of the dose window, aligned with the arrow. You will hear a click for each increment you dial. Do not rely on counting these clicks to measure the correct dose. Make sure the required dose, number 8, is aligned with the arrow. Now, if by mistake you exceeded number 8, then a dose correction is required. For example, instead of dialing 8 units, you have dialed more than 8 units. Do not dial backwards. Instead, hold the pen body and turn the dose dialer unit until it is fully extended. Now, press the thumb button completely till it reaches 0 without dispensing medication. Once the correct dose is set, that is, number 8, Terryford pen injector is ready for injection. Wipe the skin in the area to be injected with an antiseptic swab and let it dry. Then, place the pen at 90 degrees perpendicular to skin. After the pen needle insertion, push the thumb button in completely and hold the thumb button down firmly. A clicking sound will be heard while dispensing your dose. Keep your thumb button pressed for a few seconds before removing the pen. This prevents flow back and dripping. This completes the medication procedure. Repeat these dosing steps guidelines every day. In certain cases, if the thumb button stops before the end of its travel and the dose window does not read 0, that means the cartridge is empty. and the full dose has not been dispensed. In this case, check the dose window to see the amount of medication still required. Note down that number. Now, remove the pen needle from the BD pen injector. Reset the dose dialer to 0 by holding the BD pen injector and turning the dose dialer until it is fully extended. The thumb button can now be fully pressed to 0. Remove the empty cartridge by unscrewing the cartridge holder from the pen body. Insert a new cartridge and check the medication flow as instructed earlier. Set the remaining dose, which is 8 units minus your earlier noted unit, and inject. This will complete the dose. Important: before attempting to replace the cartridge, be sure that the pen needle unit is not attached to the Terrafort pen injector. Step 5. Now we will see how to remove and dispose the pen needle safely. Remove the pen cap and dispose of the used pen needle properly. Now, how do you care for and store your Terrafort pen injector? To do so, protect your Terrafort pen injector by storing it in a case. Store the device in the refrigerator door after every usage. Never freeze the device. Protect the device from direct sunlight. Some important points to remember about Terrafort device. Terrafort cartridge contains 28 days of medicine. Please discard your cartridge after 28 days of its first use, even if it is not completely empty. Do not inject more than 1 dose of Terrafort in the same day. Do not use medicine after expiry date printed on carton and label. Do not wash Terrafort pen with water or disinfectant. You can use a clean damp cloth for routine cleaning. Do not remove Terrafort cartridge from pen before 28 days of its use. Remove it from pen after 28 days of use and discard. Terrafort BD pen injector is designed to use by one person only and should not be shared with others. Sharing BD pen with others may lead to transmission of diseases. Avoid exposure to dust, moisture, and extreme temperatures. Do not attempt to repair the pen by yourself. If it is damaged, or if fault cannot resolve after referring troubleshooting section in user manual, contact your local BD pen injector provider. You can use the Terrafort pen for up to 2 years. Just because you're taking Terrafort, it does not mean you cannot travel. In fact, they made it very easy for us to travel with Terrafort. This is the Terrafort travel bag. Along with your travel bag, you should have received 2 gel packs. These 2 gel packs are specially designed to be frozen. Once frozen and properly kept in your travel bag, you can keep your Terrafort medicine course for travel. Remember, never freeze your Terrafort delivery device and never allow to come in direct contact with frozen gel packs. Put the 2 gel packs into the freezer, ideally a day before you're going to travel, to allow them enough time to fully freeze. Unzip your travel bag. Remove the gel pack from the freezer and insert them into front and back gel compartment. Remove your Terrafort delivery pen and cartridge and place the cartridge and pen in the middle compartment of the bag. Remember, never put the Terrafort pen and cartridge in the same compartment as frozen gel pack. Zip your travel bag closed. Ensure you're carrying needles in outside storage compartment, and now you're ready to travel. If you follow these instructions and use 2 completely frozen gel pack, your medicine should be protected up to 10 hours. But remember, Terrafort travel bag is intended for occasional use only. Avoid using it daily or frequent basis. You should not store the travel bag itself in the freezer or refrigerator. It is best to use Terrafort travel bag immediately you leave for your trip. Keep Terrafort traveling bag with you when traveling. If you're traveling in car, do not store bag in trunk. If you're taking the plane, do not put your carry bag in check-in luggage. Rather carry it on board. Before you travel, make sure you have copy of your Terrafort prescription. Please follow these simple steps and guidelines while taking your daily dose of Terrafort. I'm sure now you can say goodbye to osteoporosis and say hello to life with Terrafort. Terrafort Pen, the quality solution in the treatment of osteoporosis.